In the previous video, we could see all the benefits that GeneXus offers. Now, let's install the trial version of GeneXus 17. We go to training.genexus.com and select the option Try GeneXus. There, we'll be asked for an email to send us a download link. To see the hardware and software requirements, there's a link to them on the same site. We enter our email address, validate the CAPTCHA, and press send. Then we go to our inbox. Remember, if you don't find this email in your main folder, you should check the spam or promotions folders when using Gmail. Here is the email with a link to download GeneXus 17. We'll wait for GeneXus to download, and once downloaded, we'll run it. Here we'll be asked for the path to install GeneXus, and we'll choose typical installation. Then it asks for the installation path of the Android requirements. And we'll leave all the default settings. The installation is now complete. Everything is ready. In the next video, you'll learn about the GeneXus interface.